बलविंदर जी थोड़ा बहुत बहुत स्वागत शो शक्ति पे.
Thank you so much, Pam, for having me here and giving this opportunity to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Balvinder ji, you've done a master in fine arts.
That's right, ma'am. Yes.
How did you go into fine arts?
Ma'am, when I was in class plus 2 also, I remember I took non-medical, but I remember when my teacher used to teach us, मैं अपनी notebook के पीछे I used to do drawing. So my teacher तब भी मेरे को बुलाते थे कि बलविंदर, I don't think so you have interest in maths and science and better you should go to fine arts college. Yes.
Okay.
So yes, I used to love drawing and painting. Even my father, he was a very good painter.
Okay.
So, yeah. So that's what.
So basically, this thing comes into you from your
Yes,
dad.
that's right, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Then you changed your profession. You did a fashion design diploma from Melbourne Institute of
That's
Textiles,
Yes,
MIT.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you decide that now I want to go into fashion design, and you went to Melbourne and did it?
Okay. After doing, ma'am, first I did BFA, that's Bachelor of Fine Arts from Sector 10, and then of course I got a chance to do Masters in Fine Arts, and actually I am really fond of doing different things and exploring new things. So again, what I think is fashion designing as a designer and doing fine arts and drawing, they are not different things. I think they have some connection. So that was the only reason I went into fashion designing, and that was ITFT, and from there I got a chance to go to MIT. Though there was a sort of student exchange program, and being the best student there, so Mr. Gulshan Sharma, he gave me a chance to go to Melbourne, and again that was a very good program, very good experience there. Yeah.
How nice. Ma'am, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਲਬਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਏ,
Yes, ma'am.
you didn't go into fashion designing at that time. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ?
No, ma'am. I got a chance in fashion designing only when I came back from Australia. So, Mr. Gulshan Sharma, director of ITFT, he gave me a chance to go to Melbourne, and because he was planning to open a branch in Colombo. So he sent me to Colombo, and there I did marketing and did a lot of fashion shows. And then there was a 3 months fashion designing program which I went and worked as fashion and drawing illustrator there. Again, that was a very, very good experience, staying in a beautiful resort, Mount Lavinia Resort. So yeah, so there was a tie-up with a hotel management school, so my stay and the classes were there, the same place. So again, that was a very, very good experience.
What difference did you find staying here, working here, and working in Colombo? What was the difference?
Okay, Colombo, I found that people are very warm, very friendly. Yeah. And the place was very safe. I was staying in a hotel itself. That was a hotel management school. So the children there, they were very, very friendly. I got a very good exposure because the students there at the hotel management school, they were from different part of the world. I made friends from Pakistan. I made friends from Sri Lanka. There were few students from Australia also. So that was a very, very good experience there.
So when you went to Melbourne, were you married at that time?
No, not. I was engaged. Engaged, but I was not married.
Okay. Because I was just thinking, how come, 6 months staying away from the family, it's quite a difficult thing.
Yeah, it was difficult, but then again, that was a very good experience.
Yeah. Absolutely. So when you came back, ma'am, you worked as an art teacher, and then you also worked as a coordinator for 12 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So going into the teaching line, how come you took the teaching line from being such a expert person, like working in Colombo and all that?
Again, ma'am, I'm very fond of children. So there also, when I was teaching in DPS, so I was mother teacher of class prep, plus I was a coordinator for class prep. So what I found, children, working with children, that was really nice. Kids, they are so honest, and again, counseling children, teaching them different activities. I was really enjoying that.
Gee.
Yeah.
Wow. So ma'am, ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ nanny course
Yes,
ਦਾ.
ma'am.
How did you go into nanny course?
So my husband, he was into immigration education abroad, and
Ji.
he was already sending nannies to Canada under the PR pilot program.
Okay.
So when we were discussing, we thought, yeah, we are sending nannies to Canada, so why not we can train nannies for India also?
Okay.
Because these days we have old parents at home and young children, and we should we should have trained nannies, those
Ji.
who are trained and they are verified. So then we started training children, and the minimum qualification for that, like they should be 8 pass.
Right.
And then we give them, ma'am, short training where we teach them how to handle emergency, how to
Right.
measure basic parameters, etiquette, manners, and CPR.
Okay.
So after doing this short-term course, then we are placing them here in India. Of course, that's pan-India.
Okay.
So
it's
yeah.
pan-India.
Yeah.
So how long is the course which you give training?
Yeah, ma'am, the domestic one where they can work here in India, so it's about 15 days program, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, we give them the certificate, and of course then they are verified, and then we place them in different cities.
You place them or they find the
No,
jobs?
no, ma'am. We place them. So it's entirely up to them. If they find a job on their own, then also it's okay. But then,
Yeah.
of course, we help them in finding the job.
Okay. So now, when you bring such children, you train them.
Yes, ma'am.
Mostly they're girls or boys?
Both, ma'am, both.
Okay.
Because of course, when for male patients, and we send male caregivers, and for females we send female caregivers.
Okay.
And of course we have nannies and japa also. We've got newborn children, we send trained japas,
Okay.
which, and the japas can take care both of mother and child also.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So what is the salary normally, starting salary for a nanny?
Yeah. So the salary is actually very handsome, and especially if our children, they are working there full time. Full time means they're staying there, the 24 hours. They're
Okay.
helping child and mother as a japa maid and a full
Ji.
time. So the salary is about from 20,000 to 24,000.
Okay.
And if they are working like for 12 hours, maybe from 8 to 8 or 7 to 7, then charges about 15,000, 16,000. So
Okay.
that's a very good salary, after passing 8. And so these caregivers, ma'am, this is not nursing staff, as I told you earlier also, that
Ji.
when there's some procedure is required, and if there's some patient, so we send a GDA, those who are GDA or GNM. But yes, where mostly our clients, they ask for attendance.
Attendance,
So, yes,
okay.
so that's what. So for attendance, I think 15-20 days program is good enough.
Good enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so now how do you verify? Like you're going to send a boy or a girl to look after a patient. So how do you verify that this person is genuinely good or does not have a bad background or something?
See, ma'am, ट्रेनिंग जो हम उनको देते हैं, हम उनको सारे बच्चों को सेम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. बट यस, हमें कई बारी प्रॉब्लम आती है कि कुछ बच्चे जाके वहाँ ज़्यादातर अच्छे ही बच्चे परफॉर्म करते हैं, पर कहीं अच्छे नहीं भी परफॉर्म करते, तो देन वी नीड टू चेंज द स्टाफ और समथिंग. सो वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट, वी टीच देम कि उनको कैसे वहाँ जाके क्लाइंट से बात करनी है, कैसे काम करना. सो दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर ट्रेनिंग. बट यस, वी डू फेस सम प्रॉब्लम्स विद द स्टाफ, बिकॉज देन ऑफ कोर्स मैम कहते हैं ना, नई जगह पे एडजस्ट करना, तो दे टेक सम टाइम टू एडजस्ट विद द क्लाइंट. बट एंड वेरिफिकेशन, ऑफ कोर्स मैम, इनका हम लोग जो जहाँ पे भी ये रहते हैं, जहाँ पे पिंड से, तो वहाँ पे जो भी इनका लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन होता है, वहाँ से इनकी हम वेरिफिकेशन कराई जाती है.
ठीक है जी. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ NGO ਰਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਨੰਨੇ ਕਦਮ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਹ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਆਇਆ ਕਿ I want to run an NGO, and ਨਾਮ बहुत ही सुंदर नाम है. How did that come in your mind?
Actually it was started by our children only. Like I told you, my daughter, she's in class 10 right now. So
Ji.
we started Nanne Kadam, right? I think that was 5-6 years back. Rather, me and a very good friend of mine, Miss Lippy Pathak.
जी.
So both of us started this Nanne Kadam, and so basically the kids only started this. So we started this from cleanliness drive at the lake, and then of course we were helping this underprivileged children,
Ji.
and we have donated lot of books and stationery to underprivileged children, and then we were giving few clothes to orphanages also.
Ji.
And so basically these ideas and everything came from our children only.
Okay.
And very interesting, our children, they used to make greeting cards, they used to grow small plants and saplings, and they used to sell in the market, and
Okay.
then they were collecting money to buy these gifts for underprivileged children.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yeah.
You're also doing tree plantation.
Yes.
So what are the type of trees do you
Yes.
distribute, or you grow them?
No, we plant them, ma'am. And
Okay.
recently we have planted lot of gulmohar trees in
Okay.
Sector 8 Park. And down the street also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the number of trees till date you've done?
Till date, I think, ma'am, about 400 to 500 plants.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Planting of trees, as we can all see that there's a lot of weather changes. So I feel that planting of trees is the only thing that will help us
Yes.
in the
yes,
future.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What are your views on that?
Yes, of course, ma'am. Because see, बिना greenery के, बिना trees के तो
जी.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
जी.
Rather we teach our children that we should not cut the trees, rather grow more and more trees.
जी.
Yeah, and of course, as you were mentioning that how many trees we have planted. So mostly these trees are fruit bearing trees.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are mango trees, they are jamun trees, So that's very good for the poor children also, that's
absolutely.
Right. Yeah.
ਬਲਵਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਜੁਆਇੰਟ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ. Tell us how is it being in a joint family?
Ma'am, it's very good experience, yeah, but of course at the same time lot of adjustments and
जी.
compromise सबकी तरफ से होते हैं. It's not only just for one person, other family members, as I told you that my mother-in-law, my father-in-law is there, my jethani, jeth,
जी.
of course children are also staying. So मुझे लगता है कि सबकी तरफ से equal एक होता है, तभी हो सकता है.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So what are the pros and the cons which you find in joint family?
Ma'am, मुझे लगता है फायदे ज़्यादा हैं. First,
जी.
now when I'm traveling, so I can leave my daughter, at home. So of course, then my jethani and my mother-in-law, she's there to take care of my daughter.
जी.
और मैम काम भी divide हो जाता है, तो मेरे को लगता है फायदे बहुत हैं. And even for the young children, it's very good when the grandparents are there. They learn so many things from their grandparents.
जी.
So, and of course, the feeling of sharing and bonding only comes when the children also, they are staying in a joint family.
Joint
So
family.
मुझे लगता है फायदे ज़्यादा है. But yes, lot of compromise and lot of adjustments. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah.
everything goes
Yes.
hand in hand.
Yes. Everything goes hand.
ਬਲਵਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ, ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ma'am.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, what do you feel is Shakti?
Shakti, according to me, is the women empowerment, which is actually the need of an hour.
जी.
आज के टाइम में women, they are the integral part of a society,
जी.
and हमारी पूरी फैमिली एक लेडी पे डिपेंड होती है. जितने भी हाउस होल्ड चोर्स होते हैं, दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन द लेडी ऑफ द फैमिली, एंड शी हैज़ टू बी अ गुड कुक, मदर, देन वाइफ, देन शी इज़ अ गुड काउंसलर, फ्रेंड. सब कुछ एक लेडी पे ही हम डिपेंड करते हैं. बट द सैड पार्ट इज़ दैट she's not getting so much of appreciation as it is a male dominated society.
जी.
Our government and of course the NGOs, they are working lot on it to empower women, but yes, of course the change is very slow and gradual. So I think real empowerment will come, then they will get the same opportunities as men are getting in the society, same appreciation what men are getting in the society these days,
Ji,
right?
ji.
And women should, I think the women should have the same opportunities, same wages when they are working, that
Yeah.
discrimination should not be there. Then we should put full stop to the domestic violence. Women should be able to take charge themselves. I mean, what they are doing inside the house and outside the house. So I think education is a very important. Education will play a very important role. When making women empower, maybe a little.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yeah.
What you're saying is absolutely right. What we want is absolutely right. But everything takes a lot of
Yes,
time.
it takes.
It will come, but it will take some time.
It will take some.
Many things have changed, no doubt. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, like you have a diverse jobs which you do the whole day. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ de-stress ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? You must be so busy the whole day. So how do you de-stress yourself?
Okay. I think self-care for women is very, very important. I think they should be spiritually, physically and mentally healthy. Okay. Then only they can take care of their family and of course playing such an important part in the society.
जी.
So what I do is, yes, of course, a little bit of meditation and yoga I do every morning. And of course, I make sure that I should go for a walk for at least 15-20 minutes in the evening.
That's how we met.
Yeah, yes, that's how we met. Yes. So, of course, then I like going to Gurdwara. Maybe, I don't go Gurdwara every day. Maybe once in a week or so. So that
Ji.
gives me, very good feeling.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Balvinder ji, thank you so much for coming on
Thank you
Shakti,
so much, ma'am. Thank
the
you.
power of a woman.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me here. Thank you so much.
Welcome.